Now, on a side note, you'll notice that whenever I actually grab an object or its faces and I do a map of any of the kinds that are existing here, this little weird box comes up. It's a manipulator, and it's a manipulator for your UVs. So with this, you can actually grab it, you can move it around, you can scale it. Now it's not distorted and spread out because of that setting, oops, that I had actually did earlier, where I told it to keep image and width and height ratio. So as a result, when I do that, I don't actually have to scale it to the right proportion. It automatically does it. But the nice thing about this is if you're trying to nudge textures, if you're trying to scale them in or out so that they fit, um, also you'll notice that there's this little red T at the bottom or in this corner, and this is symbolizing your zero space, which is right here. So when I click on this, it changes the manipulator. And now, if I click on the little circle, it brings up rotation. So now I can actually rotate the UVs directly on the object, as well as I could just right click, go to UV mode, grab my UVs or my UV shell, and then use my standard move tool, rotate two-dimensionally because it's a two-dimensional plane, and scale. So it's just another way of doing it. I typically use a mixture. Most of the time I'm in the UV editor when I'm doing that, but you can also do it inside of here. And sometimes it's kind of nice when you're just doing a simple projection on a simple object and tweaking it. In most cases, you're going to do most of your work inside of here.